welcome. This is Mike Hamilton for Trade Easy Way. So just a quick recap on where we are on this Dow. Now, over the last couple of weeks, we have been hearing calls from technical traders looking for a dip in the Dow now, because on the weekly chart we've closed for 8 successive weeks higher. So we are now sitting comfortably above this level here, and this is the 2018 high and 2018 low, and so I've got this zone here marked as a potential area for a target and a reversal. Of course, that reversal could come in at any stage. We had a sell signal here on Thursday, but a higher close on Friday. Sell signal then that it closed beneath the previous day's new high, which is normally a sell signal. So at the moment I'm anticipating this market could come right back to the top of my zone here. Of course we could get, this is crucial area, so anywhere around here could see us pull back, and after 8 successive higher closes in the weekly you would have thought we'd get some kind of pullback. Well, we have, but no significant overall trend sell signal. Trend as in the daily chart. So how can you trade this? Well, you can day trade it, so you are not sitting there in big pullbacks, or you can swing trade it. If you are day trading it, then you need to look for time frames in something like a 4-hour or less. If you're not at your screens very often, I thoroughly recommend a 4-hour chart. So here you can see we had 4 lower closes here in the 4-hour chart, and then a higher close here into Thursday. So Friday's pullback got bought, and here we are 400 or 500 pips higher. So look for areas like that in the trend, such as this. So you can see selling followed by some support, and then we get the push up sideways. Followed by holding this level here, pushing higher, pull right back over quite a number of hours of days here in February, only to get a good finish in the back end of the week, pull back next following week, push higher, and so on. So this was a good area. This moving average, the 50 average, was a good area. This was fib support, this was fib support, and so on. So if you want to find out how we do that, then come along to our free session on Wednesday, 6 o'clock. It's only 45 minutes and it's completely free, and we'll talk about how we scalp and how we trade intraday. Alright, we will look at oil and the DAX, because we trade the DAX in the trading room in the morning. And then we trade the Dow in the afternoon. You can see on this 4-hour chart we just got a sell signal here, got a lower close in the 4-hour chart, and now we are drifting lower. Okay, so that's a potentially good intra day or potentially intra week trade that could come all the way down to 300 here, unless we've got a gap up. So at the moment the gap is holding. The gap up was from Friday night's close and the Asian open up here. So normally you'd wait till the gap fill, maybe dip into some support, and then start buying, with it potentially going to the direction of the original gap up in this case. Alright, so find out how we pick the levels that we're trading on the free session on Wednesday, and I hope to see you there. There's a lot of activity, a lot of opportunities in these markets. Even though some traders were calling for sell signals on these areas here, I was still calling the longs, and I still think we could potentially come up and see 26,700. Of course, we are vulnerable around here because we've got a lot of market's got a track record of selling from here. So if we do get a sell signal, then of course I will alert you and we'll be all over that. So stay tuned to these videos, come along on Wednesday nights, find out how we scalp, and look forward to seeing you there. Find the details on the front of the website. This is the actual Scalper School page. If you go to the home page, come onto this Traders Talk Live icon and trade daily, earn daily, book here, and that will take you to the booking form. Thanks for listening and see you on Wednesday.